Hey, welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today I'm going to teach you how to install plugins. Plugins we use for if you want to do something additional that Final Cut Pro doesn't have built in, that's when you pick up a plugin. Sometimes when you buy a plugin, it'll come with its own installation process and it'll sort of just install it for you. But if that's not the case, then this video is for you because I'm going to show you how to install any plugin to Final Cut Pro and have it launch seamlessly.
Step 1 is to download your plugin and make sure Final Cut Pro is closed if it's open. This ensures your plugin is going to install correctly. Then go to your downloads folder or the folder where you saved your plugin and double click to unzip it if it's compressed. Then you can copy the plugin file or folder. Just press Command C or right click and select copy. Now we're going to navigate to the movies folder. Just open a Finder window, go to movies, and then inside the movies folder you're going to find motion templates. Inside this folder you're going to see 4 categories: effects, titles, transitions, and generators. So you can paste your plugin into the correct category. The plugin I'm installing is a transition, so I'm going to copy it into the transitions folder. Once your plugin is pasted into the correct folder, reopen Final Cut Pro and your plugin will be available in the effects or titles or transitions or generators browser, whichever one you pasted it into. And that's it. You're ready to use your plugin. Hit like if this was helpful.
If you want to watch any other tutorial on all these Final Cut Pro skills, I have a huge playlist. You can just go through them at your own pace. They're all 2 minutes long and they teach every skill you need to know in Final Cut Pro to become a great editor. Subscribe if you like videos like this. I make videos every 2 weeks and I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks.